Robinhood is a free trading app that lets investors trade stocks, options, exchange-traded funds and cryptocurrency without paying commissions or fees. In its early stages, Robinhood stood out as one of the only brokers offering free trades. But with many big-name online brokers eliminating trading commissions and fees, Robinhood has had to find other ways to stand out, which in 2021 includes a new recurring investments feature. That said, it's still a solid choice, and currently it's one of the few brokers that gives investors the opportunity to trade cryptocurrency. Robinhood offers both web and mobile trading, but the platforms are purposely bare bones, and some investors may find the range of tradable securities and account options lacking in the last year. The platform has also received criticism for untimely outages and trade restrictions amid market volatility. Robinhood was popular even before launch. In 2014, 340,000 people had signed up to the app's waitlist. By March 2015, a month before it launched, that figure had doubled to 700,000. Fans from Europe, Australia and South America filled Robinhood's forums, pleading for the app to launch in their country. That dedication has remained despite most of the stockbroking apps lowering minimum deposit and commissions, in some cases to zero, to entice younger users. Even though Robinhood advertises itself as a free app, it still generates income through a process called payment for order flow. Essentially, when a person trades on the app, Robinhood sends that trade to a larger entity, which is able to leverage thousands of orders at once for a slight advantage. The larger entity then compensates Robinhood for the orders. This process has received some criticism, especially after Robinhood halted trades of GameStop and BlackBerry stock. Investors accused Robinhood of going to pressure from the market makers who execute the larger trades. Payment for order flow is also controversial as it incentivizes Robinhood to find the highest bidder, not the leader who will execute the trade fastest. Robinhood generates around 50% of its revenue from the practice. The company generates the other 50% of its income from account interest and Robinhood Gold, which lets users trade on margin, make larger deposits and access professional reports from Morningstar. Robinhood seems unconcerned with growing internationally. It cancelled plans for the UK and Australia in 2020. Several free trade accounts have emerged in both countries. Robinhood would also struggle to generate as much revenue as payment for order flow is banned in the UK. Robinhood added cryptocurrency trading in 2018, which includes all of the major currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and Litecoin. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.